COVID-19 is not going to disappear for the next 2 years. Lot of people are scared for their health as well as for their wallets and money, including me. So, what is going to happen? It is my humble guess. Money, there will be a lot less of it, so save it. Don't buy anything you don't need, like expensive coffee cup, a car, shares from stock market. Do not buy branded shirts or suits because wedding will not be planned for a while. Jobs. There will not be simple jobs anymore like waiters, tour guides, hospitality industry. It takes at least 2 years for these jobs to be back in market. So in this free time, get education, spend time learning a skill on internet which can make money fast. There are many entrepreneurs online who are looking to hire people with internet skills, people with video editing skills, people who know how to run Facebook ads, how to build website, people with all sorts of internet skills. There will be no need of people with history degree. People with digital skill will be way more in demand in future. Freelancers with lot of unemployment as after effects of pandemic there is time to create your own job. Go online and teach how to build website, how to earn money online in any skill which is in demand. Medicine. If you are a student, medicine is so short in demand study. Present time of pandemic teaching us doctors and nurses are in demand. All of us need them. Patience. When this physical lockdown ends, a new lockdown will start, which will be lot more sucking than this one. Because there will be no more large gatherings, no more full offices and airplanes. If you are lucky enough to get all mentioned skills, but if you are in bottom line of poverty, then it is hard to fill this gap. There are a lot of people who cannot afford to buy a computer. Rich will be richer and poor will be more poor. It is a time to think different. Think about being loving and helpful towards your nearest people, maybe who needs you. We can only pass out from this pandemic if we love and care each other. The money cannot buy everything. Think about other people who cannot buy food. We can definitely live without expensive items, but they cannot live without food. Stay safe, stay home.